Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful 3D triangle shawl. It's so beautiful pattern. I found this pattern diagram on Pinterest. I will put the diagram here. I think it will be better you see this diagram, and I want to tell how you can make this diagram. I want to tell it. I like this pattern very much. I use here bamboo cotton yarn, and it's I will tell you, I use this yarn in the sample. This is 50% of bamboo viscose, 50% of cotton, and 100 grams is equal to 252 yards, and it's equal to 230 meters. You can see that. Its color number 522 gray, and they recommend us using this is for needle 4 millimeter. Also I use here 4 millimeter hook, sorry, 3.5 millimeter hook I use. You can wash it in 30 degrees and you can ironing low degrees. Do not put in tumble dryer. This is King Cole bamboo cotton. Okay, I will tell you as same as quality yarn with the same hook number. Okay, thanks a lot for your kind comments. Please don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful 3D triangle shawl pattern. Let's start crochet. First of all, you can start with chain 4, or you can start with magic ring. Okay, I want to start with chain 4. First of all, make a slip knot, then 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. Come to first one, insert here, join two sides together with slip stitch. Then 1, 2, 3 chains for my double crochet, add one more for my space, chain 4, yarn over, insert that little hole here, and add here 5 double crochet. 1, 2, grab my yarn, pull through 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then chain 2 and add here 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We start with double crochet and chain 1, so chain 1, then yarn over and finish this first row with double crochet. Okay, this is our first row. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains I will turn. Always we will turn with chain 4 because 3 for double, 1 for space. Yarn over and make my increase from chain 1 space. Make here 2 double, 1 and 2. We made chain 1, then yarn over, insert our first double stop and make here 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 in the same place. Chain 1, skip 1, insert the next one and join with a single crochet. Then chain 1, yarn over, come to, skip 1, insert the last double on this side, insert the top of that and make here 2 double, 1 and 2. Then yarn over and insert into chain 2 space and make here 2 double. Then chain 2, This is center, and make my increase 2 double more in the same chain 2 space. Then do the same thing on this side. Yarn over, insert the first double stop and make here 2 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, insert the next one and join with a single crochet, chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, insert the next stitch stop and make here 2 double, chain 1, yarn over, insert the chain 1 space and make here 2 double, chain 1, yarn over, insert the last stitch stop and finish with double crochet. That's the second row here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains and turn my work. Yarn over and make my increase, insert chain 1 space and make here 2 double, always same. Chain 1, yarn over and make here, you know here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet. I will make 3 back post here. Insert my hook back to front, then back, grab my yarn, pull through to, pull through to. This is 1, next one, 2, yarn over, insert the next one, 3 back post double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, skip this double, this single crochet and this double crochet, insert the, here we have 4, start from the second one and make here back post double again, 1, next one, 2, yarn over, next one, 3, yarn over, come to chain 2 space, make here 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double, and again do the same thing, make here 3 back post, 1, next one, 2, next one, 3, chain 3, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, start from the second one, 3 back post, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, insert chain 1 space, make 2 double, chain 1 and insert the last stitch and finish with double crochet. This is the third row. We start the fourth row, 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains and turn our work. Yarn over, insert into the chain 1 space and make your increase with 2 double, chain 1, yarn over, skip these 2, come to chain 1 space and make here 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, chain 1, skip these 3, come to chain 3 space and join with a single crochet, chain 1, yarn over, skip this 1, 2, 3, insert 3 and the 4th between of them and make here 5 double again, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, chain 1, yarn over, skip these 2, come to chain 2 space, make here 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double, chain 1, do the same thing which you did this side, you will do as same as. yarn over, skip 2, insert the second and the third between area and make here 5 double, 1 2 3 4 5, chain 1, come to chain 3 space, join with a single crochet, chain 1, yarn over, skip this 3, come to chain 1 space and make here 5 double, 1 2 3 4 and 5, chain 1, yarn over, skip this 2, come to chain 1 space, make 2 double, chain 1, insert into the last stitch and finish with double crochet. This is the end of the 4th row. Chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and we will start our 5th row. Yarn over, insert into the chain 1 space and add here 2 double. This is our increasing double. Yarn over, insert the next one and make double crochet. Yarn over, insert the next one, make double crochet. Chain 1, you have here 5 double crochet. You will make here 4 back post. Start from the first one, 1, next one, 2, next one, 3, next one, 4, then chain 3 and skip this last double, single crochet and the first double, start from the second one and make here again 4 back post, 1 2 3 and 4, chain 1, come to this stitch, previous row centers first double here, make double crochet, yarn over, insert the next one, double crochet, come to chain 2 space, again make your center 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double, then do the same thing on this side, make 2 double crochet on 2 stitch, 1 and 2, chain 1, always leave previous of this single crochet after of this single crochet stitch. Okay, you will start from the first one and make here totally 4 back post, 1 2 3 4, chain 3, skip this double, single and the first double, start from the second one and make 4 back post, 1 2 3 and 4, chain 1, come to this stitch, make here 2 double, 1, next one, 2, come to chain 1 space, make here 2 double, chain 1, insert the last stitch here and finish the 5th row again with double crochet. Now we will start to make our these 3D front post double crochets rows. Okay, we will start the 6th row, 1 2 3 and 4, turn my work, yarn over, make my increase on the chain 1 space, make here 2 double, always same, then chain 1. We are on the back side of our pattern, so I want to show these doubles front side, so yarn over, I will crochet them as back post, 3 back post double crochet, 1, next one, 2, and next one, 3. Okay, here chain 1, yarn over. I will make here, chain 4, insert a chain 1 space, make 2 double, then make 3 back post double crochet, then chain 1, yarn over, come to this chain 1 space and make here 5 double, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 1, skip this 4 stitch, come to chain 3 space and join with single crochet, chain 1 and yarn over, skip this 4, come to chain 1 space and make here 5 double, 2, 3, 4, and 5, chain 1, skip the first one, and we have here 4 double, you can see, skip the first one and start from the second and make 3 back post, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, come to chain 2 space, make here 2 double, chain 2 and make 2 double, chain 1 and do the same thing which we did here, we will do here, yarn over, make 3 back post, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, come to chain 1 space and make 5 double, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, chain 1, skip this stitch, come to chain 3 space, join with a single crochet, yarn over, skip this chain 1, yarn over, skip this 4, come to chain 1 space and make here 5 double again, 3, 4, and 5, chain 1, yarn over, skip this first, start from the second one and make here 3 back post double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, come to chain 2 space, chain 1 space and make here 2 double, 1 and 2, chain 1, insert the last stitch and finish with double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We finish the 6th row, you can see that. Now we will start the 7th one. If my video comes so speed, you can see here 3 dots, push here and slow my speed. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and turn my work. We are on the front side, you can see that. I want to look at these shells from back post. I want to see these lines front post. So don't forget, make your increase again, yarn over, insert the chain 1 space, make here 2 double,